What's up, cyber world? All right, we're going to show you how to code start to finish. The first thing you need, a text editor. So let's go and get one. One of my favorite ones to start with, you'll hear about VSC, Visual Studio Code. Sublime Text, though, is the one I love. I love Sublime Text. So if you've ever had to write a report for English and do like an English paper, it'll underline words in red that are misspelled, all in red. It'll tell you if your sentence isn't complete. That's what a text editor does, but for coding. It's going to color code your variables. It's going to let you know if you're missing semicolons. So I'm trying to talk and work at the same time. It doesn't work fantastic. But we have downloaded Sublime Text. You go to their website, you click on download, and then it's going to open, or it's going to download you the zip file. And look, here it is. So I'm going to open up Sublime Text. You'll see what it is. All right, so here's Sublime Text. Look what we got, this nice black box. Okay, before I even add code, I'm going to save it. The reason I want to save it is because I want to tell the computer what type of file I'm creating so it knows how to color code my stuff. So I'm going to hit Control-S. It's going to open me up this thing to save. I don't want to save it there. I'm going to go to Desktop and ticks. Perfect. I'm going to name it sc.html. You can name it whatever you want. Just put .html at the end, and now it knows, hey, you're building an HTML file, which means we need an HTML tag. Look how colorful they are. There we go. So an HTML is like, you can think of a person. It needs just a couple of tags. It needs a head, and it needs a body. There we go. There's our body tag. There's our head tag. Here is the skeleton. I'm actually going to indent all of these nice inside the HTML. So inside the head, you put information. Inside the body, you put what people are going to see. Let's put something that people will see. So I'm just going to write some text. I'm going to put in an H1 tag. Booyah. And we're going to say, only you can prevent... Man, I hurt my finger, and I have a cast on my fingers, and so I type slow. Only you can prevent forest fires. There we go. We got some HTML. I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to select Copy File Path. I'm going to open up another tab in here, hit Paste. Booyah. Only you can prevent forest fires. So that's what we have so far. Let's add an image, too. If you guys don't know what that's from our good friend, Smokey the Bear. So we're going to find a picture of Smokey the Bear. So I'm going to type in here, Smokey the Bear. Let's see what we can find. Let's go to Images. Oh, man, he's gotten tough over the years. This man right here. I'm going to click on one. We'll just do the head. It's going to take me to the page. Oh, it's an Etsy page. Watch this. Right-click. Copy image address. Snatch. Come on over to my... to our code. We're going to paste in that URL we just snatched. I'm going to hit save, come back to the file we got, hit refresh. Oh man, Smokey the Bear is massive. All right, let's scale him down a little bit. Sorry, Smokey. We got to make you a little bit smaller so we can see you. Let's cut you in half. Booyah. Smokey the Bear, that seemed a lot more than 50%, but that's okay. That is how you code. You get a text editor, you save it, you add the code, and off you go. That's it. Every Friday, we're going to have more coding videos. Thanks, guys.